Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got an awesome domino set. This is a double 15s set with 8 wooden holders. So let's open this up, check what's inside, and then let's get playing. First off, it comes in this gorgeous case. Like, check this out. This is heavy duty. That way everything's contained. It looks nice and it has little feet even on the bottom, so you can just have this on your shelf or in your cabinet, whatever. It's going to keep everything contained, which is amazing. I love that. Okay, so you've got nice center for your Mexican train. This even holds the holder. So beautiful wooden holders. Oh, those are gorgeous with little pads on them. So those nicely on your table or wherever, whatever surface you are playing. You've got 8 of those. So you've 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 8. So you can, this is for up to 8 players, which is awesome. Then you've got your gorgeous dominoes. This is a double 15 set. So that's I love double 15 sets because it makes the game so much more fun. So all your dominoes, you've got your cute little Mexican trains, nice, lots of different bright, fun colors, and you've got your instructions. And I love, it's not so packed tight in here that you have to be super precise at getting everything in, which I love because sometimes they give you the box or the case and you have to be really, really exact on how you put everything in. This one is not that way. So let's get the setup with the family and get playing dominoes.
This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. So we played with 4 people, and so each of us had 2 of the domino holders, which is really nice to be able to spread out and see all of our dominoes easily. And this was just such a fun set. The great quality, nice bright colors, and just brought hours of fun to our family.
I hope you and your friends and family enjoy this as much as we have.